I was taken, it is because of our genuineness of peace. The preacher said something about peace. We went to Abuja, and Mr. President, knowing the importance of peace, Rivers State, they brought out some conditions. We came back here in this state. First, we did everything that has to do with those conditions. We went to court immediately. We drew our matters. And you call yourself honorable when you cannot even obey simple instruction. You say, well, that's not the problem. That's not the problem. It was because we withdrew our matter. Even the matter you filed, and we said we don't want to continue. You took advantage of it and went and got judgment. And you say you claim. Is it not fraud? You ought not to come out and talk to people and people listen to you, because it shows that you're not honorable. As a vulnerable person, I acted as a vulnerable man, believing that the agreement should be what we should strengthen. And I came and I complied. When I discovered that I was being ambushed, not by the person who initiated the peace, but people who believe that they are smart, that you know the wiseness of no matter what you call yourself, it's foolishness. That is why he says those other things that they are looking for to make them feel they are coming back to life, we will not do it. I don't want to call the name, but we will not do it.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was the governor of Rivers State, Simi Fubara, reflecting over his struggle with the former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, and talking about how Nyesom Wike ambushed him after the resolution, 8-point resolution that was brokered by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the Rivers Villa. You know, many of you, I don't know how many of you will recall that on December 18, 2023, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the Presidential Villa sets 8-point resolution for Governor Simi Fubara and the former governor and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike. The resolution was signed by both Governor Simi Fubara and Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike. Other people that signed that document include the National Security Advisor, Madam Nuhu, Deputy Governor of Rivers State, Dr. Ngozi Odo, Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Martins Amehude, Acting Chairman of the People's Democratic Party in the state, Chukwemeka Aaron, the All Progressive Congress Caretaker Committee Chairman, Chief Tony Okocha. Also present at that all-important peace meeting was the former governor of Rivers State, Dr. Peter Odele. Now the resolution directed Governor Fubara to withdraw all matters he has before the courts, and also directed the State House of Assembly to drop all impeachment processes it had initiated against Fubara. That resolution brokered by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu also directed that Amehule leadership of the House of Assembly be recognized, just as he directed Governor Fubara to represent the 2024 budget to the Amehule-led assembly. Another part of the resolution was that the remunerations and benefits of all members of the House of Assembly and their staff must be reinstated immediately, and the governor of Rivers State shall henceforth not interfere in the conduct of the State House of Assembly. The State House of Assembly, according to the resolution, shall choose where they want to meet. The governor will not determine where they should meet. The House of Assembly will determine by itself anywhere he choose to sit. And the names of all commissioners in the Rivers State Executive Council who resigned their appointment because of the political crisis in the state, their names shall be resubmitted to the House of Assembly for approval. And finally, there shall not be a caretaker committee chairman. No caretaker committees for local government in Rivers State was also part of the resolution by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, which means that the dissolution of the local government administration that was done then by Simi Fubara, that it was null and void and shall not be recognized. That was the resolution that was brokered by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, if you are a follower of this channel, you will know that when this resolution was brokered by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I was among the first people. This channel was among the first to draw attention to the fact that this was an unjust resolution. This was a resolution that handicapped the governor of Rivers State Simi Fubara and gave so much power to Nyesom Wike and the pro-Nyesom Wike lawmakers. And I shortly after I did a video to show that I have a lot of reservation about it, because it puts so much power on the side of Nyesom Wike and the pro-Wike lawmakers. I also discovered that I was not alone. Several people, including Chief Edwin Clark, later pointed it out that what they did to Fubara was like ambushing him at the Presidential Villa. Yet, Fubara, as a man of peace, as you heard him say in that video where he was talking, adhere strictly to that resolution and withdrew matters in the court. Now, it was that withdrawal of the matters in the court that was his greatest undoing, because that ambush they laid for him, he fell. They were able to ambush him, particularly on that. That was why you can see the recognition judgment that was done recently by a high court in Abuja. The judge that pretended over that matter was very clear on that. He said that since Fubara has withdrawn his own objection to the suit, it means that he has accepted that whatever the Amefule-led assembly was saying was okay, and that was his greatest undoing. And at the end of the day, they gave a verdict against him. So it was, he used that opportunity, the opportunity of October 30th, marking of the beginning of his problem with Nyesom Wike, to reflect on this. And incidentally, that was the same evening, it was the same day that the court in Abuja froze the federal allocation coming to the Rivers State government, because he failed to represent, they say, because he has failed to represent the budget of 2024. And you can imagine that 2024 is about to end. They want him to represent the 2024 budget, which he refused to do, because he has already presented it before the Victor Okojombo-led House of Assembly, which he recognized and which a lot of legal minds say is the authentic lawmaking body in Rivers State, because the Amebule-led lawmakers, they defected from APC, from PDP to the APC. And the matter is already at the appeal court and at the Supreme Court about their status. Yet, a court in Abuja had given verdict as if Amehule and co are still authentic lawmakers of the FC of Rivers State. But what Fubara has done, what he reflected over, is that Nyesom Wike and the lawmakers, that they were not as honorable as they should be. That was why he was, beating his chest that he is an honorable man, because he adhered strictly to the resolution. He brought back the commissioners. He was doing everything to ensure that everything was in order. It was when he discovered that he was led to an ambush that he began to resist. That is what he explained in that video. And it was so unfair to him that when the Nyesom Wike and the Pro-Nyesom Wike lawmakers violated that resolution, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu failed to call them to order. But you can see that Fubara was being very, very careful in blaming Tinubu for anything. He believed that the reason why the peace process failed lies squarely with Nyesom Wike and the lawmakers, because they ambushed him when he was thinking that they did everything in good faith for the peace of Rivers State. He didn't know that according to him, that they had the ulterior motive to, in fact, continue with the fight against his administration. I don't know what you think about this. What was your position on this, about what Fubara just revealed, that Nyesom Wike ambushed him? What is your take on this? And what do you think is the final solution? Should the president have to intervene when it was obvious that Nyesom Wike and the lawmakers did not follow strictly to the resolution that he broke out at the Aso Villa on December 18, 2023? Let us hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.